If you ate 2 eggs at breakfast for a month, this is what would happen to your body. Eggs, whether boiled, poached, or scrambled, they are a great way to start your day. These little orbs are a great source of protein and amino acids. Proteins are the building blocks of life. Every cell in the human body contains protein. The basic structure of protein is a chain of amino acids. You need protein in your diet to help your body repair cells and make new ones. Eggs are one of the few foods with complete proteins. That is, they contain proper preparations of all 9 essential amino acids required by the body. They are also packed with numerous vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, vitamin B12, vitamin D, vitamin E, folate, selenium, choline, and others. Eggs are one of the highest protein breakfast options. One of the key steps you can take to help manage their appetite throughout the morning is it to ensure that their breakfast choice has enough protein. 2 eggs served with 2 slices of whole grain toast contain at least 20 grams of protein, which is a high biological value protein, which means it is easily used in the body. This means that choosing eggs for breakfast will give you at least 25% more protein than other popular breakfast choices. Here are few of the many amazing health benefits that your body receives if you ate 2 eggs at breakfast for a month. 1. Eggs help with brain development and memory. Choline, an essential nutrient found in eggs, stimulate brain development and function. It has also been linked with increasing memory power and alertness. 2. 2 eggs at breakfast can protect your eyesight. 2 antioxidants, lutein and zeaxanthin, are present in eggs and have been linked to protecting eyes from damage related to ultraviolet exposure. They have also been associated with reducing the likelihood of developing cataract in your old age. 3. Strong bones. Hard-boiled eggs provide vitamin D to keep your bones and teeth strong. Vitamin D promotes the absorption of calcium and regulates calcium levels in your blood. This process ensures that your skeleton gets the calcium it needs for strength and structure. You need 600 international units of vitamin D each day, reports the Office of Dietary Supplements. You get about 45 international units of vitamin D from 1 large hard-boiled egg.